What's up, guys? Alright, so we've already discussed the fact that pull-ups are probably the most effective and beneficial exercise for your back. It helps develop thickness and wideness, and you'll look like a flying squirrel by the time you're done working out over the course of, well, a few years. Anyway, pull-ups, the downside is that they're incredibly difficult. Probably, in my opinion, the most difficult body weight exercise that you can possibly do. So, if you're not quite that strong, or you're working on getting stronger, or maybe you weigh a little bit more than you ideally should, then pull-ups are pretty much impossible. The option is using an assisted pull-up machine, where you've got a pad, you've got a weight, okay, well that's great. But some people don't have that. And so today, what I want to do is actually show you a great back exercise that's going to tear you up and still basically be able to be done if you're not the greatest at pull-ups. And it all is going to come down to the Smith machine. And the way that we're going to do it is basically you're going to put the Smith machine up about face level, okay? And what you're going to do is, it's almost negatives. I want you to be able to stand on the floor and reach the ground, okay? Now, I can cross my legs and hang and do pull-ups here, right? All right, but that's not what the exercise is. Well, it's kind of that way. The idea is for you to hang here, put your feet on the ground, and assist yourself with the pull-up as much as you need to. And then it's like a negative. Let yourself down with a 5 count. And then pull up. Using your legs, let me adjust the camera so you can actually see my feet. So your feet are on the ground. Now you can do pull-ups by crossing them, or what I want you to do, keep your feet on the ground. Pull yourself, but use your legs as much as you need to in order to get yourself up. Let yourself down, up, hold it, 5 count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull yourself up, hold it, and 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The idea is to use your legs only as much as you need to. As you get tired, you're going to use your legs more and more and more. What I want you to do is try and do 3 to 4 sets of these. And I want you to do around 10 to 12 reps. You can throw them at the beginning of your workout to get warmed up, or you can put them at the end. If you do them at the end, it's going to be a lot more difficult. But the bottom line is, if you're not used to doing pull-ups, or even if you are, this is an exercise that is absolutely going to wear your ass out and give you a great workout. You're going to feel it in the morning. So give it a try, gentlemen. It's awesome.